This is my buddy Karen.
This is my buddy Caroline.
We're FaceTiming today so we can teach you how to make a Facebook fundraiser for Best Buddies. Step 1 is to pull up the Best Buddies International Facebook page.
Click Find.
Next, you can give the fundraiser a title and a description and link it to your Friendship Walk page.
After, add pictures, personalize the page.
Finally, share the fundraiser with all your Facebook friends. Thank you for raising money for Best Buddies.
See you in the Friendship Walk.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.